Hey guys, it's Tutorials on Demand for you here, and guess what time it is? Mail time! Yay! So I'm going to read through my mail, collect the gifts. I'll also show you who sent the gifts, and I'll probably reply to them. So, I've actually already skimmed through a couple. So this was a gift from Rainy7413. She gave me a golden tiara. So I'm gonna write back, thanks. Okay. Next, Animal Jam Rocks from Jaden77777. Okay. Just write back, hi. Animal Jam Rocks again from Jaden77777. Again. I really like your animal from FunnyDud12. Okay. Thank you. Animal Jam Rocks again from that same person. Yeah, right. Okay then. Animal Jam Rocks again. Same person. Okay. This is a gift from Glendo. Ribbon scarf. Thank you. I'll just write thanks. And, who are you? You look funny. From Candy58632. What? I am recording right now. Okay. Yeah, this person also wrote back. Who are you? Dear Rock from Popsicle426. Thank you. And what else do I have here? A gift from Sumeric? Or well, you can see it. So, the gift is a lei. Okay. Thank you. And what else do I have here? Animal Jam Rocks from The Lucky Gamer 1. Same thing, same person. Okay. Yeah, you look so funny. Change your eyes. What the? Okay then. Yeah, so that was kind of weird. Yeah, well, that was mail time. Thanks for watching, and keep looking back at YouTube for more videos coming soon. Yay! Bye!